night. Sparrows are chirping, taking their flight. Cardinals so red, perched in the tree, singing their songs just for you and me. Fly, little birds up in the sky, spread your wings and soar so high. With your colors and your songs, you make the world a place to belong. Flamingos stand tall, in the waters they wave, with feathers so pink, in the sunshine they parade. Woodpeckers tap tap on the old oak tree, making a rhythm just for you and me. Dance, little birds, in the breeze, glide through the air with so much ease. With your grace and your cheer, you bring joy to all who are near. Crows are so clever, with eyes